The last time India toured England in 2008, the Virat Kohli-led side suffered a 1-4 defeat in the Test series. Things were quite similar in the previous tours of 2011 and 2014 as well, where the touring side suffered a heavy defeat. But the Indian team will be hoping for a change in fortune when it begins the 5-match Test series against Joe Root side in Nottingham on Wednesday, 4th August. In this video, you will get the weather report, pitch report, stadium states, team news, Dream 11 prediction, head-to-head records, venue, match date, match and toss timings, live telecast about the first test match between India vs England starting from 4th August. Let's start. The India vs England first test match will be played from 4th August at Trent Bridge at 3:30 pm Indian time. India team tentative playing 11 for first test match. Rohit Sharma, KL Rahul, Cheteshwar Pujara, Captain Virat Kohli, Ajinkya Rahane, wicketkeeper Rishabh Pant, Ravichandran Ashwin, Shardul Thakur और रविंद्र जडेजा, मोहम्मद सामी, ईशांत शर्मा and Jasprit Bumrah. England team tentative playing 11 for first test match. Rory Joseph Burns, Dominic Sibley, Zach Crowley, Captain Joe Root, Daniel Lawrence or Jack Leach, wicketkeeper Johnny Bairstow, wicketkeeper Ollie Pope and Jack Leach, Ollie Robinson, Stuart Broad and Mark Wood and James Anderson. The India vs England first test match will be played at Trent Bridge Stadium, Nottingham. Head-to-head states. Overall, total 126 matches have been played between India vs England in test matches, out of which India have won 48 test matches and England have won 29 test matches. 49 test match was drawn. In England, total 62 test matches have been played, out of which England have won 34 matches and India have won only 7 matches. 21 match was drawn. Stadium states. The Trent Bridge Stadium in Nottinghamshire says that total 63 test matches have been played, out of which the batting first team have won 23 matches and the bowling first team have won 17 matches. The average first inning score in the stadium is 321 runs and the average second inning score in the stadium is 306 runs. The average third inning score in the stadium is 263 runs and the average fourth inning score is 160 runs. The highest total recorded was 658 for 8 wickets by England. The lowest total recorded was 60 all out by Australia. Venue details and history. These are all the history of Trent Bridge Stadium, Nottingham. Team news from India. The team news from India is coming that with Mayank Agarwal ruled out of opening test due to concussion, KL Rahul is likely to open the innings with Rohit Sharma. Skipper Virat Kohli, Ajinkya Rahane, Cheteshwar Pujara and wicketkeeper Rishabh Pant will form the middle order. Ravichandran Ashwin is expected to be the only spinner. Looking at the green wicket, India is likely to opt for 4 spacers. Example, Ishant Sharma, Mohammad Sami, Jasprit Bumrah and Shardul Thakur will form the pace attack. Team news from England. The team news from England is coming that the hosts have named a 17-member squad for the opening 2 tests. Joe Root will lead the side. Ben Stokes has pulled himself out of the test series, citing mental health concerns. Craig Overton has been named as a replacement for Ben Stokes and Ollie Pope is slightly doubtful for the opening test. Pitch report. The wicket at Trent Bridge should be a bowler-friendly wicket with plenty of grass. The seamers should have a great time in the middle, especially with the potentially overcast conditions. There should be some turn on offer towards the last 2 days of the match. Weather report. Rain could very well play spoil short in the first test, with showers expected on all 5 days of the match. Days 2, 3 and 4 could be especially affected, with showers forecasted during match timings. The average temperature should be around 20 degrees Celsius over the 5 days. Toss time and playing time. The toss of the match between India vs England will start at 3 pm Indian time and the playing time will start at 3:30 pm Indian time. Live telecast and live streaming. Sony Sports Network will live broadcast India vs England Test series. Sony 6 HD and HD will telecast the matches with English commentary, while Sony 10.3 HD and HD with Hindi commentary. The match commentary in various languages will be also available on Sony 10.4 HD and HD. So, after all the analysis, the match prediction is the match will be drawn because of rain, or else India will win this match. So, according to you, who will win this match? Comment down. Thank you. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.